Hello, Dr. Barr here at Barr XMD Regenerative and Longevity Clinic in Orange County. And today it's a brief video to discuss the aging process and how we manage that for our patients. So this little image that we have on the side has the different factors that we can manage for our patients. In blue, we address the DNA aging, your genetic code, and how the environmental, call it the epigenetics, affect the DNA in our body. In red, we address hormones. Balancing hormones is key since they decline in production with age, as well as balancing your mitochondrial vitality and function. That is your powerhouse. In yellow, we address chronic inflammation that happens with age, as well as environmental toxins, food, and other things that happen in the environment that now we know can cause a detrimental reason for our cells to age. And then, of course, in purple, my favorite color, comes the immune system. And our immune system is very important to keep us lively and healthy. And of course, in that immune system, we would address stem cells, keeping our stem cells healthy. And if they need a boost, we can harvest them and add a little extra boost for you by providing you some more stem cells to keep you young and lively. So the 3 steps of cellular therapy are to protect your existing cells, to repair any damage that has occurred over the years, and number 3 is regenerative and explore the regenerative powers of your body through a natural process. So the process of extracting your stem cells from fat is pretty simple. It is a procedure in the office with minimum downtime under local anesthesia. The SVF, the stromal vascular fraction, is extracted and is spun and incubated through a patent procedure, then sent to the bank for expansion and storage to be your own cell line of stem cells, and can be used in the future for your clinical needs. SVF, the stromal vascular fraction, is then used in so many different procedures, and this has been published through universities in clinical studies and has been used in medicine. So it has been used in several procedures like breast augmentation, osteoarthritis, treatment of bones and joints, as well as wound care and reversing injuries from severe wounds or ulcers, as well as being used for autoimmune diseases, gut diseases, heart conditions, as well as in erectile dysfunction treatments. And of course, we love to use that in aesthetics. We've used it in hair regeneration, as well as other chronic conditions, heart, kidney. And this is in that slide with some references below. Sum up, stem cell therapy has been used recently in several organs, and here's the little image that shows that it's been used in first musculoskeletal bones and joints. Next, it's been used in brain disease and nerve tissues. It's been used for healing cardiac conditions and chronic lung diseases. Also in healing the gut, Crohn's disease, autoimmune disease of the gut, inflammatory disease of the gut, as well as skin, and of course regeneration and rejuvenation of the skin, making it healthier, younger in cosmetic procedures. And finally, I would like to say your true stem cells are your healer, not the doctor. So now we can harness the power of these stem cells, save them in the bank for a rainy day to repair, heal, regenerate, and keep you young and lively, and hopefully forever. Thank you for tuning in, and hope to see you soon in my next post.